So, what is microneedling? How does it help with hair restoration? So, microneedling is the use of either a home device or an in-office medical device to produce micropunctures in the scalp or skin. With that, you get increased collagen and also an increase in formation of the vessels around the scalp so that when you do have hair starting to grow, it has more blood supply. So, can microneedling be done at home? Well, yes, it can. Generally, as physicians, we don't want the patients to do this by themselves, but you might as well get some opinion on how to do it safely. There's two types of microneedles out there. One is a dermal roller, which spins around as you glide over the scalp, and there's something called stampers, which you just stamp individually into the skin. It's preferred that you probably want to use the stamper device because what that does is it gives you a pinpoint injury for your body to heal with. With the roller device, you actually create gouges that are wider and create more injury than you would really want. You want to stick to the devices that are like 0.2 to 0.5 millimeters deep. You don't want to get deeper than that because you have increased risk of infection and bruising and pain. The preferred way is actually to have it done by a physician in the office. So what we use is FDA approved devices that allow us to give you deeper punctures or deeper grooves for growth factors or platelets to go into. So with those devices, we can reach 1.5 millimeters deep, which is the optimal depth to which you should do microneedling. And things we can add in the office that you can't do at home are maybe to numb your scalp so it's completely painless, and also add growth factors into the mix. So we can do microneedling with platelet-rich plasma or microneedling with pep factor to really help boost the hair growth. Does it hurt? Well, in the office, what we can do is numb you. So either a topical cream, which we'll leave on for 30 minutes and then wash off thoroughly to avoid infection, or we do something called a ring block, which we take a needle, do a lidocaine block, and follow and trace around the scalp so the whole top of your scalp is numb. From there, we can do the procedure painlessly. Another common question with microneedling is, how often do we do it? Well, when we do the platelet-rich plasma injections, we usually do that once a month, every 4 months. At the end of that procedure is when we do the microneedling of the scalp. The other way microneedling can be done, of course, is to do it with pep factor. We do that once every 2 weeks for a period of 6 treatments. So after 3 months, you'll be done with the treatment, and then we do follow-up pictures at 6 and 9 months to see the final results of your treatment. What is the extra benefit of microneedling? Well, when you do microneedling in conjunction with any of the treatments that we do, it actually boosts the results. So when you use microneedling with minoxidil, you actually get 3 times the hair growth. And that's because there's more penetration of the medication into the scalp. So it gets deeper and you're able to get better results because you're reaching the follicles more directly. So if you're considering microneedling, or you're already doing microneedling but not getting the results that you want, please give me a call if you need any help. I'm Dr. Galope from Lasting Impression Medical Aesthetics in Fair Lawn, New Jersey. I'm confident that I can help you get better results with whatever treatment you're doing. So let's set up a consultation and let me help you grow some more hair.